This is crystal growing kit. Now I'm gonna open this. Wow. This what? A purple base. Cool. This is a stir for mixing. Looks so cool. Okay. Wow, a USB cable. We can use it so we can connect this base here. Wow, 3 crystal powders. This looks like red. This looks like blue. And this is white? Hey, blue is my favorite color. And red is my second one instead. 3 measuring cups. 3 cups for 3 bags. Like each of these ones. Okay, cool. Yeah. Here, it is. And these are the crystals. I'll put this powder in the measuring cups. Okay, I maybe get. Whoa. Whoa, it looks so cool. Maybe there's some more. I don't see any. So now white. Here it goes. This is so cool powders. These powders look so cool. Oh, there's actually a little bit more. Now I put the powder in the measuring cup. See? Dad, can you bring the boiling water, please? Did you bring it yet? Oh, you brought it. Whoa! It looks so... Okay, not gonna touch it. Dad, do the white here. Here it is. There's the white. Make sure nothing happens. Okay? What are you doing? Why did I touch it? Add a little bit to the blue and white dad because they have a kind of less. The more what you add, maybe they won't grow. Now I'm gonna stir each one 5 minutes. Okay, how many minutes have been? I have no idea. I think I had to clean it, right? Because look it drops here. I wonder how many minutes have been. You have to be careful when you're stirring it because the water is actually hot. Or I'm done with these 3. Now I'm gonna put the crystal tablets inside the water. I wonder if I'm gonna hold it tight. Whoa! It just came like, what? Ow. Ow. It just hit me. Daddy just hit me. Okay, I put it inside them. Now I have to wait for another 7 days. So the crystal tablets grow bigger. Now I will take my dad's help to put them in a safe place. Meanwhile, a little bit about crystals. Crystals are dug up from deep in the earth and come in every possible shape and in every color from bright green to deep reds. Reds to sun to stunning purples. People around the world have collected, polished, and enjoy them. Some even some even believing they have special powers, bringing them up into the light after the thousands of years it takes them to form. With this mini explorer kit, you don't need to wait that long. You have this incredible process in your hands, and creating your crystals takes just days. Carefully follow the instructions and display the beautiful results in the included light of display. Now I have to wait for 7 days. I'll come soon, so bye. Hi everybody, I'm back and it's been 1 week. Now I will take the water off. I wonder if it's not gonna fall. Okay, I'm just gonna stand up like this. Whoa! This is awesome! Let me pour the white water out. Or let's just do the red water. Ow. Whoa! This one is way more cooler. Let's see the white. Whoa! Now I will leave. Couple of hours to get it dry. Here is one more crystal I'm taking out. Oh my god. Whoa! This is the largest out of all of them. Let me get it. My red is getting all red. Finally, this is how crystals grown big after a week. Bye, thank you. Thanks for watching.